I'm a corporate executive chef for Continental. I've been in the food business since I was 14. It's my life. I was driving on a 16-mile road. I was at a stop, and the next thing I know is it felt like an explosion. Whatever it wasn't good, because right away my legs went numb.
Guy behind him ran right into him. Didn't stop, didn't brake until he ran into him.
I kind of like slunched back over on one of the seat, kind of holding on, and I was trying to lift myself up to sit up, and I couldn't sit up. I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was bleeding inside, and I wanted to call my wife.
So I was at work. Hospital called me and said, your husband's been involved in an accident. They wouldn't tell me anything on the phone. So I got there, and they said he was an X-ray, CAT scan, whatnot, and they didn't know if he'd ever walk. You never know when you kiss your husband goodbye in the morning that your life can change in a split second.
The impact of the hit shattered my T11 vertebrae, but when it shattered, my spinal cord just kind of held out, and it didn't rip. So he said I should have a good chance, of recovery. Jim Barty, the owner of our company, came to see me, and he's like, he was all worried and what was going on, and he called my wife right after and said, there's this place downtown, the DMC Rehabilitation Center. And he said, the Rehabilitation Center down there is doing amazing work. And he's talked to all these other guys and said, you need to get down there. I got here August 4th as this inpatient. I stayed until December 10th as an inpatient here. They said, you want to take a little bit of time off between inpatient and outpatient? I said, no, I'll start tomorrow.
He was able to sit up on a mat. He was very uneasy. His core was not built up at all. So he struggled, but from day one that he got here, he was working hard. Whatever they asked him to do, he was doing it, plus more. Not wanting to take breaks, he's determined.
I want to walk. So you guys here at the DMC are, you guys are making it happen. So the thing is I don't want it to come back and say, I didn't do my job.
The first day that we came to RIM, we marked on his leg where he could feel down to. That was his upper thigh. And 5.5, 6 months later, he can feel down below his knee now. It's very encouraging.
Recreational therapy came by and kind of, they want to know, hey, what's your hobbies, what's this, what do you like to do? My passion is always food, because I started since I was 14, cooking. So they said, we have a cooking class. So Chuck, can you, maybe we'll have you kind of run the class, and come up with a recipe.
Everyone loves it. I heard a comment from another patient that had said, I didn't know I'd be able to cook again. It
was challenging because I noticed that it takes a lot more to cook from a wheelchair. More time, more energy and trying to get things done. I get into a kitchen, everything goes away. I'm here at the DMC. I'm here for a reason. They did the best thing possible they can do for me for inpatient. Here I'm at the #1 place, so that's why I wanted to be here. You know what, I want to walk. So I'm going to do whatever it takes. Nobody's ever going to say I didn't do my part.
He's just an amazing person. Just a very amazing person.